Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez from creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited because I am releasing a brand new program for all my customers, and this is online classes. So I'm starting to do online classes that include a product, so I'm sure you're gonna love it. The first class that I am releasing is in September, and this one is for First Frost Bundle, which you can see the stamp set. This is a brand new stamp coming out of the holiday catalog, which I think is great because you can use it a lot in multiple occasions. I love the flowers as usual, and it has a coordinating framelits, which is the Frosted Bouquet framelits, and you can see them here. So let me just go over the options. You are going to be getting all the supplies. Option 1, you're going to be getting the bundle, the First Frost stamp set, as well as the framelits with the pack of pearls basic jewels and the ribbon, the brand new velvet ribbon in Tranquil Tide, as well as all the supplies to make these cards. 6 cards, as you can see. All of them have a video tutorial as well as a PDF with all the pictures and the items that I use to make them. Now this option is $72 plus shipping, and they all ship priority, so there's a way to track them, and they should be arriving in around 3 days once I ship. Option number 2 does not include this bundle. Say that you already have it. It includes the pearls and includes only the Tranquil Tide velvet ribbon. Okay, so this option as well, the make and takes to make all 6 cards, the video tutorials, the PDF for the pictures, and that option is $35 plus shipping. So that's option 2 if you already have this stamp set. Option 3 is, say you don't want any of these items, you only want the tutorials to make these cards. That option is $20, and it will send through your email the PDF as well as all the links of the video tutorials. And option 4 is for my stamping team, which is Alice's Stamping Pals, and that option is $15, and it is to make all the cards. So it's all the make and takes, or the make and take packet to make all 6 cards. The tutorials are always free for them, but I'm sure they will be able to get all these items with their discount. So for them, I only charge them to cut and prep their kits. So for this class, the last day to sign up for this class is September 19th, and so that's the last day to sign up. And then it will be shipping 10 days after. So it will be by the 29th of September. I should be able to be mailing all the kits, stamp sets, and everything, embellishments to you. It all ships priority shipping. So, so there's a tracking with it. And so I'll put in the description of this video a link to my blog, where you can get more details of this class and the way to register for this class as well. And also, if you're part of my email list, you get all the information about how to sign up, as well all the links and everything every single month. So be sure to be part of my email. Go to my blog, subscribe to my email, so that you're always in the know of when is the next class available, where are the deadlines, and when is shipping and what is coming up. So definitely sign up for that. And again, I'll put all the information in the description of this video. So thank you so much. I cannot wait to share this with you. I'm very excited to be sharing for the first time an online class with creatingwithali.com. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.